How to use gaming settings in Windows 11 for HP notebooks. All HP notebooks running Windows 11 come equipped with adjustable gaming settings designed to optimize the PC gaming experience. To access these settings, go to Start and then select Settings. On the left-hand side, select Gaming. From the Gaming menu, there are three categories available: Xbox Game Bar, Captures, and Game Mode. Selecting Xbox Game Bar opens settings specific to Xbox connections. The main feature in this menu is Xbox Game Bar, which allows you to access Xbox-related features while playing games on your computer. You can learn more about these features by selecting Get to Know Xbox Game Bar. The next option in the gaming menu is Captures. Selecting this option opens settings related to recording your screen while gaming. From here, you can adjust how to start a capture, how long a capture can last, whether or not audio is captured, the capture frame rate, the quality of the capture, and whether or not your mouse pointer is included in the capture. The last option in the gaming menu is Game Mode. The main setting in this menu is Game Mode. Turning Game Mode on optimizes your PC for gaming by deactivating background apps and programs while you are playing for smoother gameplay and streaming. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.